Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing earbuds, and not any normal earbuds but a very good quality earbud. This one is from the Sudio and this one is called N2 Pro, and this one comes with a lot of features such as the active noise cancellation, a multi-point connection, water resistant, and up to 6-hour playtime, 30 hours in total. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside the box, and then we will talk about all the amazing features. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this looks really very nice. First of all, we have the case, which is the charging case. Let's open this. Okay, so the charging case is very light also, and the color is I'm matching with the color today with my shades. They also have in different colors also, which you guys can see on the screen now. So this one is a good size case, not very big, not very small. And then we have the earbuds, which looks very nice and very premium quality, though it's all plastic, but hard plastic, but it does give you the feel that how good quality these earbuds are. Of course, this have all the rubber at the edge, so it can fit good into your ears. Then we have a 3 sets of earbud covers as well, so depends on your size of the ear. You can choose which one fits the best. I think for me is usually the one comes with it, so it will be good. And we also have a charging cable, which is the Type-C to USB-A. And then after that, we have all the guides about it. So this one is the warning and other instructions, and this is the owner manual. These earbuds are the touch sensitive, so they have provided all the details that how you can use it. If you want to have the ANC active noise cancellation, which is ANC on and off, what you need to do, you need to tap twice, it will be on or off. Then apart from that, how to pair the device is also there. And then this is all the functions for the playback operations. 1 tap to play and pause. Then you have the 2 taps to the left side to go back to the previous track, and 2 taps to the right to go to the next track. Volume up, tap 3 times on the right side to go to the volume up, and 3 taps to the left side to put it to the volume down. So quite straightforward. Is mostly common in earbuds nowadays when they have the touch functionalities. And on the last page, it says about the phone call operations. 1 tap to accept call with the 1 tap, hang up or reject calls, hold button 2 seconds. Alright, so before we connect this to our phone, so let's talk about its specification and some amazing features. The Sudio N2 Pro earbuds feature a minimalistic aesthetic and are housed in a sleek charging case that ensures convenient on-the-go charging via a USB-C port. It uses Bluetooth 5.3, providing a range of up to 100 meters and can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. Each earbud weighs a mere 4.5 grams, ensuring prolonged wear without discomfort, ideal for extended listening sessions or active use. It has touch-sensitive operational controls that allows for seamless management of music, playback, and call handling with a simple tap. Each earbud includes 2 built-in microphones totaling 4 microphones, and if you are in a noisy environment, the active noise cancellation technology minimizes external noises. The Sudio N2 Pro has a sensitivity of 114 decibel, enabling loud and clear audio, a driver size of 10mm for better bass response and robust sound, and an impedance of 32 ohms, making it perfect earbuds for smartphones, tablets, and laptops as they require less power to produce high audio levels. With a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, the Sudio N2 Pro can reproduce a full range of sounds for a balanced listening experience. It has a battery life of up to 30 hours with active noise cancellation disabled, and up to 20 hours with active noise cancellation enabled. The earbuds alone can last up to 6 hours on a single charge. It takes up to only 1.5 hours to a full charge, and it is compatible with any iOS and Android devices. And with an IPX4 rating, this means that the earbuds are splash-proof, making it suitable for workouts. Alright guys, so let's put this on the test, and then we will connect with our phone and then see how that goes. So at the bottom of this case, there is this button to connect it also. And therefore the charging port is here on the right side of the case. So let's see how fast this can connect. Alright, so let's pair this and see how that goes. So it says that pairing to a device, place the earbuds in the charging case, which I did already. Close the lid, open the lid, and remove the earbuds from the case to connect to a device. Okay, so let's take this out, for example. Oh, I just took it out and it shows here. So let's connect this. And we are connected. That was really very fast. So let's check the sound quality of it. One of the good thing about this, there is no such a thing or the audio sounds, oh, your Bluetooth device is connected or all that. Those are a bit annoying for me. All right, so the connection was easy. Just open it and you are connected. So let's play some songs and then see how does it perform. All right, so it's quite bassy. There's quite a good bass coming from it, so which is very good. So let me see the touch functionality. If I press one time, yeah, it does play, so which is good. Then I can pause it as well. Then I remember there was a 3 times tap to the volume high. Oh yeah, so 3 taps on the right, volume goes up. You just need to get used to it, like you are pressing 3 times. Okay, so the touch call is a bit sensitive, which I must say, but once you get used to it, so it will be good. All right, let's take this out. I wish I can share with you guys the experience, what I'm hearing at this moment, but for this kind of videos, you understand that, yeah, I can't really share the music, how it really sounds like. So overall, a very good quality earbuds. So this one also stands out with its own functionality and features, which is good. I hope I have covered most of the amazing features of this product. And if you guys have any questions or you want to know more about them, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you guys with any questions you have. And if there are any discounts available, so I'll be dropping that in the description of this video as well. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all the upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.